Hi everybody, welcome back to another Storytime Saturday. Today's story is One Dark Bird. Are you ready? Here we go. One dark bird, perched way up high, a view of town, a taste of sky. Two birds more come winging by, then three, then four flights multiply. Five more swoop around a cloud, warble, whistle, join the crowd. Six soar brightly, seven sweep, eight will sing the sun to sleep. Then nine, then 10, from who knows where, till starling sounds fill up the air. 100 here, and there, fine feathered friends with sky to spare. But suddenly they're all alert, danger's near, and flights divert. They wheel away from hunting hawk, single birds become a flock. Waves like water, dark then light, from down to up, then left to right. A rush, a murmur, out turns in, a dot to dot, a corkscrew spin. Flapping fervor, noisy clutch, they dance together without touch. Until it's over, falls apart, each flies alone, like at the start. Hundreds here, and then, good night, they fly away with evening's light. Till just a few float loose and free, 10 birds settle in a tree. 9 land here, and 8 dive there. 7 swing in still, sweet air. 6 sing softly, 5 just sigh. 4, then 3, then 2, goodbye. One last bird perched way up high, a view of town, a taste of sky. The end. Thanks so much for reading along with me today. I'll see you next time. Bye!